We're going to be answering two questions in one video. So for both of these, we're asked which of the following is true for a PMOS FET. And this again is the same question. Two of these were just given slightly different answers that we could possibly choose from, but we're going to solve for both of these. So the first one says which of the following, and so the second one, is true for a PMOS FET. So we're going to be looking at PMOS FETs. We're going to be referencing the notes linked below the like button, page 71. So we have PMOS FET devices here. Taking a look at this, we're going to also absorb from information as we go through here. So the first one on the left says the channel is formed by attracting electrons to the surface. So this is false. And the part that's false is if we want to specifically choose a part, we would do the attracting electrons part, because we are not attracting electrons. Remember, electrons are with the p types, and so our n type has holes. So p is equal to electrons and n is equal to our holes. So what we're going to want to do is attract holes up. So this one is going to be false. Next we have the body is doped, p minus. Well, if we look at our body, we see we have p pluses here. So both A and B are false, so D is also false. Let's look at E and then we'll come back to C. So E, it says the drain and the source are doped N+. And if we look down here, it says both NMOS and PMOS FETs operate the same way, but both the doping types and the voltages and currents are reversed. We have some notes down here as well, and this is just saying that the drain and source are not doped at N+, it's going to be doped at N-. So this will be false as well. Next we have the threshold voltage is negative. And right here it says VT is negative for PMOS FETs. We just need our VGS to be greater than our VT for both. So for this one, part C is going to be our answer. Next, we're going to look at the one to the right. So first, we're going to start with B, and then we're going to go down and then back up. We have the drain and source are doped P+. Well, this is true. We can see that they're P+ for both of these. Next, we see the body of is doped N-, and we just went over this. This should be an N- here because of what we have right here. Next, we have the channel is formed by attracting holes to the surface, and we were talking about how if P is electrons, which is what we have here, N is holes, and we want the holes to go up, well, this is true. We are attracting holes to our surface here. Next, we have that our threshold voltage is negative, and we just went over that right here. And since all of these are true, A is going to be your answer, all of these.